everyone, welcome. My name is Rich from techbox.digital, where we bring you the no-nonsense, no-fluff reviews on the latest tools that are coming out to help your business thrive. So today we are checking out a really good one. We've had some duds lately, so I'm really kind of hyped about this one. It's AI Affiliate Niche. And so it helps you it helps you to stop struggling with endless niche research, SEO, and content creation. So it's billing itself as the world's most reliable AI-powered affiliate marketing suite. And so that's a big claim. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. So it claims that it can create high-converting SEO-optimized content and uncover profitable niches in just 3 clicks, and it's at a one-time price. Now, once you get through the funnel, I would imagine it's not a one-time. There may be some upsells, and I guess that can still be considered a one-time price. You're not paying monthly for things like that, but there's probably some upsells in there somewhere. All right, so it says you can say goodbye to complicated and costly tools and start growing your affiliate business today. And if this does what it says it can do, it will definitely help you in your affiliate business, because there are odds and ends that you're dealing with every single day that you don't normally think of whenever you're trying to get into like an affiliate marketing business platform. And so it says no monthly fee is a one-time payment and unlimited uses. So that's pretty big. Let's take a little look at the demo that they put together, and then we will come back right after that.
How many times have you opened 30 to 50 tabs to research niches, rewritten ad scripts at 2 a.m., and then woken up to a dashboard bleeding red, CPMs up, CPCs jumping, CPAs climbing, and still no sales? You know you need to launch fast, but you get stuck picking a niche? The idea sounds good, yet you're not sure it will sell. Every day burns more budget, chips away at confidence, and adds another deadline while a client or boss asks, when are results coming? The truth is, you're not short on effort. You're missing a clear, repeatable path from idea to message to page without guesswork. That's why AI Affiliate Niche exists, an AI co-pilot that turns uncertainty into a simple flow. Discover, create, launch. In minutes, not months. Type a niche or product, and the system analyzes search intent, competition, and trends, then returns sub-niches, angles, keyword sets, and a clean SWOT so you know exactly what to say and what to skip before you spend a cent. Move to create and generate hooks, short ad scripts for TikTok Reel Shorts, long-form posts, nurture emails, FAQs, and even comparison pages with one click. Build on AIDA and PAS. Lock to your brand voice, shifting from friendly to authoritative in seconds. Pin key analyses in the one comparison you put in. View to evaluate side by side, and save winning concepts to the idea library to reuse and expand. When you're ready, open House Launch and export a conversion-ready landing page with clear sections, sharp benefits, timely social proof, and a bold CTA. Copy, paste, publish. Need multiple languages? Keep the same message and ship in English, Vietnamese, Portuguese, and more within one workflow. The result, less spinning, less budget burn, more time testing offers, dialing creatives, and scaling what already works. No more wrong niches that never convert. No more late starts and rushed pages. No more deadline chasing while results lag. If you're ready to step off the spend, tweak, hope treadmill, watch the demo now, click, get access, or comment. Access, and start building profitable campaigns with AI Affiliate Niche today.
All right, so there you have it. That was a pretty decent breakdown of a tool that looks very, very promising. So instantly discover profitable niches. You're going to generate high converting SEO optimized content, unlock AI driven market strategies, just a whole list of things that are super helpful and things that you don't really think of when you are getting into an affiliate marketing business. So it's shown as a price of $19. I don't know if there's any upsells to this. I'm sure there are. So you probably want to check that out. But that said, even if you're spending, I don't know, even if your upsells take you to $100, like that's not that much in comparison to all the other tools that we talked about, the Canvas and the Clickfunnels, sociable kits, things like that. This is a really, really, really good idea. And so if you're facing any of the challenges like I face, and they listed a couple here that I definitely am facing. Wasting time on niche market research, never knowing what to even come up with. You have pen and paper and you're ready to write something down and you just have nothing, right? Struggling to create high quality SEO optimized content. It's always tough, and especially with the AI stuff now, you don't know whether it's going to hurt you or hinder you when you're coming up with AI generated content. Unclear marketing strategy, lack of data to make informed decisions. That's another big one. Whenever you're looking up a keyword, or if you're just you have an idea and you're not sure, is this idea even relevant? Like, do people even look up this idea or this keyword? This is something that's going to help with that. Difficulty optimizing affiliate campaigns. So running affiliate marketing campaigns without knowing what products will drive profit. That's a huge one too. You don't want to choose something that you think is popular or you think is good when the rest of the world doesn't, right? And then challenges in managing and tracking campaign progress. You can put together the best campaign, the best writing, the best imagery. Like, you can put all that together and you have no idea how it's doing. Well, with something like AI niche, you can track that kind of thing. And so if all that sounds familiar, that's why they created AI affiliate niche. It helps you easily find profitable niches, create the SEO optimized content, and then scale your affiliate marketing in minutes. So this is a really cool tool. I really recommend that you guys check it out. And if you do check this out, I want to give you a really cool bonus. You will be getting the Viral Video Power Pack. And so what the Viral Video Power Pack is we put this together. It has 100 viral video hooks to use for your affiliate marketing, niche videos that you'll be putting out. You get 10 ready-to-use scripts, a 30-day content calendar, so you can use those scripts and those hooks within each day of the month, and then 10 editable Canva templates, which is something that really helps you kind of get the ball rolling. You don't have to use them as is. Obviously, you would change out the images and the text and everything to kind of make it your own, but at least it gives you a head start. And so that's what you'll be getting if you purchase AI Affiliate Niche from our link below. And so along with the Viral Video Power Pack, if you want to take your affiliate marketing business, any business really, to the next level with tools, tips, and tricks that will help your business thrive, you want to come over to techbox.digital, where we give you the no BS download on all the tools that are coming out, at least the tools that you will want to know about. There's been some really awful garbage tools that have come out lately. One that I fell for, which is Multiverse AI. Yes, I am putting you on blast because I haven't got my money back yet. So you want to make sure that you're doing your research on these kinds of things, because that one has turned into a complete nightmare. There's a few of them that have come out that they all look the same. I think it's the same software and they just put a different branding package on it, and so you think it's something different, but it's not. It's all garbage stuff. And so we'll put together probably another video that exposes those kinds of things. But what we want to do here is we want to review the best stuff for your business and for what you're doing. So if you're into that kind of thing, please join us over at techbox.digital. You could submit your email for our newsletter, and we'll kind of keep you up to date each month with the latest stuff that's coming down the pipeline and some things that have been really beneficial for us and for other marketers out there from the previous month. So go ahead and visit us there. And if you've gained any kind of value from this video, really appreciate a subscribe and a like on the video. So yeah, until next time, my name is Rich, and this is TechBox.digital. Thanks.